Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you ever wished for skin so smooth, clear and glowing that it looks like glass? What if I told you that you don't need expensive treatments, chemical-filled creams or fancy facials to get that flawless skin? Today, I'm going to share a 100% natural beauty secret that has been used for centuries. Something so simple yet powerful that it can completely transform your skin in just 1 week. And the best part, you probably already have this ingredient in your kitchen. Before we get into it, let me ask you something. Are you tired of dull, lifeless skin? Do fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven texture make you feel less confident? Have you tried multiple skincare products but still struggle to get that glowing, youthful look? If yes, then stay with me till the end, because I'll not only show you how to use this magical ingredient, but also reveal some pro tips to make sure you see results fast. So let's talk about our star ingredient, flaxseed. Yes, that tiny little seed that most people ignore is actually a skincare powerhouse. It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, collagen-boosting compounds, and antioxidants that help tighten your skin, reduce wrinkles, fade dark spots, and give you an unbelievable glow. Flax seeds are like nature's own anti-aging formula, and once you start using them, you'll see why skincare experts swear by them. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do you use flaxseed for skincare? Well, let's make something that works instantly, a homemade flaxseed gel that you can use daily for glowing, younger-looking skin. It's super easy to make. All you need is 2 simple ingredients, flax seeds and water. Just boil 1 cup of water, add 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes while stirring continuously. You'll notice that the water starts to turn into a thick, gel-like consistency. That's exactly what we want. Once it cools down a little, strain it using a clean cloth, and you have your very own DIY flaxseed gel ready to use. Now, here's where the magic happens. Apply a thin layer of this gel all over your clean face and neck. Gently massage it in an upward motion for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then leave it on for 20 minutes. You'll actually feel your skin tightening. This means it's working. After that, rinse with lukewarm water, pat dry, and apply your favorite moisturizer to lock in the hydration. If you do this every day for just 1 week, you'll start noticing visible results. Your skin will feel firmer, more lifted, and incredibly smooth. But wait, that's not all. If you want even faster results, you can use this as an overnight mask. Just apply a thin layer before bed and let it work its magic while you sleep. When you wake up, you'll be shocked at how soft and radiant your skin looks. This method is amazing, especially if you have fine lines, wrinkles, or sagging skin. It's like getting a natural facelift without spending a fortune. Now, let's talk about what happens when you use this flaxseed gel consistently. On the first day, your skin will feel instantly hydrated and fresh. By the 3rd day, you'll notice that your skin looks firmer and brighter. Around day 5, your dark spots and fine lines will start fading. And by the end of the week, your skin will be visibly transformed. It will look smoother, tighter, and more youthful than ever before. But to get the best results, you need to avoid some common mistakes. A lot of people apply too much gel, thinking that more is better, but trust me, a thin layer is all you need. Also, consistency is key. If you skip days, you won't see the full effect, so make sure to use it every single day. And lastly, always store your flaxseed gel in the fridge to keep it fresh. This ensures that you get maximum benefits every time you use it. So, are you ready to try this 7-day flaxseed skin challenge? If yes, drop a yes in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing skincare secrets. I post the best natural beauty tips every week, so hit that notification bell so you never miss out. That's all for today. If you're wondering how to get glowing skin overnight, make sure to check out my next video, where I'll reveal another powerful skincare hack that will give you instant results. Until then, take care and stay glowing.